Alfie so much. I love it here.
So we've got some cocktails made by the best bartender ever.
In the whole, he won an award. He's the best bartender in the whole of Paris.
Lovely, thank you.
With the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You too, huh?
Yes.
I can see that, huh?
I want to bed.
Why are you leaving?
I don't want to go. I don't know why I'm leaving. Carry my bag, don't worry about it.
It's bigger than him. So we're venturing around Corsica today. Where are we? What's this called again? We're in Bonifico. We've just picked up Kev and Tina yesterday. So we're gonna have a little mooch and wait for the wind to die down, and then we'll go to the Madalenas tomorrow, I think.
Jay? Doing fine?
Yeah, we're good. 20 metres deep.
Nice, nice. Beautiful, wasn't it? Yeah. Very nice.
You can generally have it, you can have this one.
Dad's doing a sailing school for Tina, a little sailing crash course.
Oh yeah.
So we've got the master fisherman on board with us today.
Yeah, we've got some black cable, hoping that the fish are colourblind, a pink lure just in case they ain't, and they're going to lob this overside. However, we have got a tin of sardines, that when we get to where we're going we can put a sardine on there and then double it, and that'll tease them.
Desperate times.
Yeah, so
we might get to the stage where we're actually having the sardines on a bit of bread. So
have faith.
Yeah, I don't want to burn my neck, so that's why I've got my hat on backwards like a pilchard.
Oh, we've got some hats that your dad left us.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Would that be one of those those butcher hats?
Yeah. Did you wear one, Joe? No, not yet.
I'm not quite sure I've got that level of sophistication. Particularly well.
Fisherman Kev.
Caught me over line.
With your head. I'd just like to show the world, and I want to let you know that I'm just as surprised as you are. That what my dad is currently doing, I've just actually realised what he's doing. Plaiting hair.
Oh, it's a bit like rope, isn't it?
No, no, it's not. It's hair. Look. Bearing in mind he has no prior experience of plaiting hair, because he has none. Nah.
Has Alf ever plaited your hair?
No.
No? Look at this.
Wow.
Who did that?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't do
Why
it.
can't you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, let's have a look.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah. Very good skills, darling.
Skills. Morning, Jay.
Morning.
What are you doing?
Looking at wedding venues.
Very nice, and then we're gonna wait for everyone to get up and then head to a pink beach. Apparently, it's got pink sand, which Jay wants to go to. It's only about 5 miles away, so it's not a nice little sail.
I heard that you can't actually set foot on Pink Beach. You can only look at it from 2 roads, and there's an Italian Robin Crusoe that lives on there who's the caretaker, and now they're like trying to kick him out and stuff and get guards in.
Oh. We have just slipped away. Wait. Lovely weather, lovely wind, and first time we've done it where we slipped away without turning the engine on. It was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
I prefer doing it that way.
Yeah, same. Very nice day. Dad's back out with the line again. I reckon you
Today's the day, mate.
I reckon so, mate.
Yeah. What you got here, Alf?
5. He's had enough of not catching a fish, as have I.
So he's going to put a sardine on
We
here.
go for the sardines now. It's not just me. You also can't catch a fish. And we have just come and anchored in this place. And there's a beach over there, Pink Beach, which gets its pinkness, I've heard from Jay, from the fossils that were in the sea, apparently. But they've shut the beach to people because people were nicking the sand, putting it in a bag and carrying it home. So we're not allowed on the beach.
I ain't looking my best, am
Here
I?
he is.
Hey! Right, I'm going in a drink, Alf.
Look at you, mate.
That wasn't a fart, that was it. That was the air coming out of you.
There's Jay, so on the cushions again. Tina's chilling out.
Hi!
And I've been in, dived on the anchor. On a swan dive, mate.
Hey, swan dive?
Yeah.
Yeah, I trust you, you're brilliant.
Look at that.
That's it, Kev. Well done.
Well done, mate.
That was hard work.
Yeah.
Nice sunglasses.
Thank you.
You look like John Lennon.
I feel like John Lennon, actually. Yeah. I left my ones at home. What did you say?
I'm not gonna
Well,
come.
it's not once you get in, trust me.
Are you gonna come in?
No.
Why? Why?
I've already been in.
Come in with me. I don't want to go in on my own. I think I am gonna jump in.
Go for it.
Huh?
Right, well, I've got a plan. If they want sardines, right?
Yeah. So we've resorted to Jay being the fish spotter. And then we're Dad's mainly trying to catch the fish.
With a piece of pepperoni.
Yeah. We don't like.
They don't like the pepperoni. Maybe it's too big. Now's prime time because they're all eating the sardine. No
Right.
rush.
Okay, so give us that tin, Alf. What I was going to do is smeagol it with sardine oil.
Yes.
Plan. I can see one down there.
They're coming back.
I feel like I'm fishing when I'm about 12.
With that float on the end.
Yeah.
They're not sniffing it. They've gone.
Maybe.
It won't be enough fish for fish soup.
Not even a starter.
No.
Right, I'm gonna go and put another round of drinks in the fridge.
Yes, please.
What do you want?
Whatever you're having. Gin and tonic? Alf's just made us some dinner.
Made you a calzone.
That looks nice, Alf.
Yeah, it looks great. Thank thank you for watching. Join us next time where we visit the prettiest marina in Sardinia and we celebrate Alf's birthday on the boat.